Okay, hello. I'm Carlos. I'm here to teach you about the basics of longboarding. There's a lot of things you need to know, but just three is will get you started. First, it's the styles of longboarding. Two, it's gonna be types of decks for longboarding. And three, it's anything that has to do with trucks, wheels, bearings, nuts, anything that goes. For our first style of longboarding, we're gonna do downhill. Downhill is usually for those who want to go at a high speed and have lots of fun just cruising down hills. Our second style is going to be freestyle. Freestyle is for those who like to jump off of stair flights and like to do more things that street skaters would do.
So for cruising, you see how smooth the board is? This is the ride you will get. It will be faster than a skateboard and it will be really fun.
Right, so for our first decks, we have here a cutaway one that's a drop through that the trucks drop through the deck, and then we have a top mounted pintail longboard right here. Two drop down top mounted boards. These are really nice for downhill. The top one right here is a land yacht switch. That one's more for free ride. You'll get really nice slides in that one. The bottom one is a double kingpin truck. Those are really unusual, so I don't think you can do much downhill or free ride. It has really nice wheels for free ride though. So for part three, I'm going to talk about the miscellaneous stuff from longboarding that you'll notice right away. So we have bigger trucks than skateboards. They're 180 millimeters minimal. And we have bigger wheels, and these will vary from size, but the smallest I've seen is 65 millimeters. And the durometers is way different. That's the softness and hardness of a wheel. We will tend to have softer wheels, so we have a more enjoyable ride. Bearings are the same as skateboarding. You don't need to worry about those. We do have different types of risers or shock pads between the deck and the truck. I don't know if you can see that right there. Our decks obviously are way bigger, but I mentioned that in another part. So for wheels, we want something harder if we're going to be doing some more free ride. So this is hard 83, and this is specifically for free ride 84 wheels. But if we're going to be cruising, we like to have those soft jelly. These are really squishy. These are both 78A. They're really squishy. I recommend these a lot. Downhills are really long, that wide contact patch so you don't slip off while you're riding downhill. And there's just some other things I'd like to go over. Always carry a tool. They come really in handy. This hardware isn't that great in any type of board. Carry gloves if you're going to do downhill. Knee pads. Unfortunately, my helmet I cannot find, but always wear a helmet when you start out specifically. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the basics of longboarding. I really hope you learned something. I hope that you try out the sport. I really like it. A lot of people like it. Always be safe and have a good time.